Question 2. For my promotional package, I created a teaser trailer, film poster and magazine cover. All three products had to create a synergy and work together as a whole for my campaign to be effective. I thought that my teaser trailer, film poster and magazine cover worked well as a promotional campaign. My chosen genre was action. I wanted all of my three products to represent this genre and present connotations of action films. During the research stages, I learned that professional products were very consistent through their various stages of their film promotional campaign. This consistency during production, advertising and so on enables the different media techs to link together as a whole and in turn makes a promotional campaign successful. This is seen in the release of the following films such as Skyfall, Total Recall and Soul. In the action genre, the main protagonist is a key character and is key in the promotion of action films. Throughout my three media texts, my protagonist is present. I use an image of him as my main image in my magazine front cover and film poster. This allowed for continuity as the audience can make connections to the ancillary text and teaser trailer, as my protagonist was present in various scenes in my trailer. This is a good marketing technique as the audience will recognise the protagonist and link him to my campaign, and in turn this will help in the advertisement of my film. In my film poster, magazine cover and teaser trailer, I use the same font for the title. This gave a consistent look through all three texts and enabled the audience to make the connection between them. As well as this plays an important part in promoting my products, as all three texts will be available to the audience via different platforms. For example, my ancillary text may be located in public areas such as the cinema and in billboards, while my teaser trailer may be available to the audience via the internet through advertisement of the trailer. This means that my audience who see one of my texts in one platform can recognise links of another text and can gain an understanding of the products, and in turn they may tell their relatives and friends, and this will help in the advertising of my film. The action genre usually involves conflict and tension, and this is portrayed through the narrative and characters through the products. These are themes that I adopted throughout my texts. In my teaser trailer, through various camera shots such as close-ups and wide shot, which show the protagonist in a state of anticipation and unease, and creates and builds tension. This is a theme that is maintained in my film, magazine cover and film poster. In both texts, I use a similar image of the main protagonist, in which his posture and body language of the protagonist creates a tense state of mood and relates to the narrative of my film. By having consistent themes throughout each of my texts, I believe that they work effectively as a combined product. There is clear links and connections throughout all three texts, allowing them to support each other.